Good morning, I'm Lauren Simonetti.
Good morning, I'm Nicole Petallides. Good morning, 5:01 a.m. right here in New York, Wednesday, February 1st, new month.
Yep.
Welcome to FBN AM, your first look at what's moving in today's markets and the latest breaking news.
Cannot nominee. Chief Counsel for the Judicial Crisis Network, Carrie Severino. Good morning to you, Carrie. Morning. Chief Counsel for the Judicial Crisis Network. Thank you. Drug prices. In a meeting yesterday with pharmaceutical executives at the White House, we go to Fox Business's Blake Berman with more on that. Blake.
San Francisco receives more than $1.2 billion a year in federal funding, which could be obviously now at stake.
Obviously, all this takes some time. Brett Baer said yesterday we can expect Gorsuch confirmed by March. We'll see. Coming up in sports.
Battle with Democrats. Good morning. I'm Nicole Petallides.
Hi, everybody. I'm Lauren Simonetti. 31 a.m. in New York. It is Wednesday, February 1st already. Welcome to FBN AM, your first look at what's moving in today's markets and the latest breaking news.
Accepting the nomination, Gorsuch praised the late Justice Scalia. For Supreme Court is one of his former law clerks, Jamil Jaffer, now professor at the Scalia Law School at George Mason, zeroed in on soaring drug prices in a meeting with pharmaceutical executives at the White House. Fox Business's Blake Berman in Washington with all the details. Blake.
Receives more than $1.2 billion a year in federal funding, which could be at risk if the city defies the order.
Good morning. It's 5:45 a.m. here in New York. Let me get you caught up on what's happening now. The legal and illegal.
I want to bet on viewership because I hope we can get a record this year. Coming up in sports.
They got to dust them off first if they want to get top dollar, but they look great.
I'm sure Adam Shapiro knows about that. He loves Studebakers. We thank you so much for watching FBN AM this morning.
We're going to toss it right over to Maria Bartiromo. Mornings with Maria on this Fed Day.